Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I got myself these SPIGEN USB-C chargers. These are pretty awesome. They have a pretty high wattage of charging, and they could do super fast charging on my Samsung phones and other devices that could take PD charging. Now that goes up to like 44 watts for this one, which is really nice, and the other one goes up to like 35, which is really nice too. But yeah, you can actually charge this directly with some of the power delivery devices that are compatible with this, and it's super fast charging, or it could power like a mini small laptop. Now this dual one is pretty interesting. It's much smaller, as well as the fact that it does up to 35 watts output. If you do the dual mode, it actually divides into like a 25 watt on the first plug and 10 watt on the second one. It is pretty standard. It doesn't fold down or anything, but it is very compact, and it has 2 ports, which you can charge multiple devices. Now, this other one's even better. This is SPIGEN ArcStation Pro. This is really awesome too. It has a fold down design, so you can take this as a travel charger, and it has 45 watts of energy on that one PD. So super compact compared to like the previous ones, which was probably double the size to do 45 watts. And another thing is that I use this one to charge my power stations and other larger batteries, because it does up to 45 watts out, max for power delivery. It also comes with a cable too, a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is a great value as well. So both of these are actually very, very good. I've been using these for over a week and a half to 2 weeks, and I've been charging like my larger battery packs and stuff, and they've been working really well. It also runs a little cooler, and it's smaller than the other larger USB chargers. And like I said, it goes up to 44 watts going into my PD ready battery, which is really nice, and does super fast charging for a lot of my devices. So anyways, that's right about it. It's SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.